Okay, so I'm making this now because I'm procrastinating packing my house. So when you get into Canva, you should see a page sort of like this. There's two ways to get here. So I circled both of them. It's Canva AI. And we found out that you have to be in the school account, but then change it to your personal like page in there, and then you should be able to see the Canva AI. And if you can't find it, then message me or Lori, and we can help you figure that part out. But you're going to click on that Canva AI, and then it will pop up a box for you to type in a prompt. And before you hit enter, you want to hit the code for me box. That will be what can create a website for you. So then I typed in my prompt for it here. I found that putting more details at the start is better than something simple. Originally, I had just typed, like, make me a class pet, and then you have to edit a lot more. Whereas if you put as many details as you can at the start, it takes less time. So once you're ready, you'll hit the arrow to submit it. It will pop up with this page, so you'll see what you wrote, and then the AI will come back and say, this is what I'm doing for you, and it will generate all these lines of code. It does take like between 2 and 5 minutes, depending on how many asks you're making of it. So just know it will take you time, but then eventually it will populate something. So this was the first version that it made for me. And then there were things I wanted to change. So like I asked it to make a contact information space, but it put a random phone number and email that aren't mine. So then in this ask me anything section, I typed another ask, updating my phone number, changing the office hours. I asked it to insert the Team 7B Padlet in the resources. And so then it will generate again. And then you can see on the new version, it has my phone number, my office hours, and then at the very bottom, you can see the Team 7B Padlet. So you'll do all that, and then you only get 20 different submissions a day. So that's why you kind of want to be more specific with what you're saying. But once you're happy with it, you can click use in a design, and then it will pull this up here. It looks a little funky, but then if you hit publish website, you'll have to click that twice. It will give you a link, and then you can get to the actual website, and it looks very normal. One other thing I will say is that you can't actually edit this once you close the original tab. So you can close this tab where it's like the actual Canva design, but when you are in the AI part, once you close the AI, like ask me anything section, you cannot make changes anymore. We haven't figured out how to do that yet. So if you're taking a break or stepping away, leave the tab open so that way you can keep going, because you cannot actually edit the website from this tab. I think that's everything. But let me know if you have any questions.